To factory reset the Apple Watch, press on the crown, then reach the setting gear and select General. Then scroll down to find Reset. And from here, you can select Reset All Content and Settings. So basically, this will factory reset if you hit the Erase All button, all of your watch and everything that is inside. However, if you're looking to resell the watch to someone else, this is not the best option to do it, as the device will still be locked to you. What you can do is to grab your phone, your iPhone, and go on the Find My Phone application. You can also find the Find My app from the iCloud.com website. From here, select your Apple Watch. Then scroll down and find Erase Device. Select it. As you can see, this will do the very same thing. It will erase everything, so hit Continue. You can optionally input your phone number in case someone find it and want to contact you. I will not do that right now, I'll just erase it. Then input your password, that's your Apple ID password, and hit erase one more time. There you go. As you can see now, the Apple Watch is actually erasing itself, and then if you want to remove it from your Apple ID, you will need to hit the Remove This Device. As you can see, this Apple Watch is linked to your Apple ID. Removing this Apple Watch will allow it to be activated and used by another person. So hit Remove, and now input one more time your password, hit OK, and now you can sell back your Apple Watch to someone else. Of course, just wait for the reset to be completed. This might take few minutes. I hope this was helpful.